Welcome back. In this video, we're going to look at how you can create a new teams and a channel. To order to create a new teams, just hit the teams icon and then you can create or join a team. You can create a join team here. Select the build scratch and choose your option from here and then give it a name. I will say final year project for MBA students, and then I can put a description. It's a student final year project plan. I create the teams in 1 second and then I can start adding the people in the teams to collaborate. Yeah, that's nice. Let's add few of the members in this. I will add Alex and my professor. Once I add successfully, you see the professor and a marketing assistant, which is tomorrow going to be a student, and then you can use this tiny drop down to change their permissions to promote them owner and demote to the owner, right? So these are the a few things that you can take here. Once you do that, let me just close this. As you see, my teams is created a new teams called my final year project MBA, and it adds a general tabs which has the post coming. I can start the post high and I can use these menus in the bottom.
As you saw how I create a team in Microsoft Team app. So likewise you can explore a more bit into it. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please do subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.